Did you know that the average household in the United States throws away approximately 40 pounds of food waste every month due to poor plate organization? This staggering statistic highlights the importance of efficient meal preparation and cooking. In this video, we'll explore quick home organization tips, specifically focusing on the humble plate. A well-organized plate can make a significant difference in our daily lives. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about saving time, reducing waste, and enhancing our cooking experience. From meal prep to leftovers, a thoughtful approach to plate organization can transform the way we eat and live. So, let's dive into the world of plate organization and discover the secrets to a more efficient and sustainable kitchen. To start, we need to understand the concept of zones in plate organization. Imagine your plate divided into 3 zones: the food zone, the utensil zone, and the condiment zone. By assigning specific tasks to each zone, we can streamline our meal preparation process. For instance, placing the food zone at the center of the plate allows for easy access and visibility. But what happens when we don't have enough space on our plate? In that case, we can use the tiered plate technique, where we stack smaller plates on top of each other. This strategy not only saves space, but also makes it easier to transport and store our dishes. Another clever trick is to use a plate rack to maximize vertical space in our kitchen. A plate rack can hold multiple plates, keeping them organized and within reach. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some people use a plate divider to separate food and utensils? A plate divider can be as simple as a small piece of cardboard or a dedicated utensil holder. By using a plate divider, we can maintain a clean and clutter-free plate. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that plate organization can even impact our mental health. Yes, you read that right. A well-organized plate can reduce stress and anxiety in the kitchen. When we have a clear and organized plate, we feel more in control and confident in our cooking abilities. This phenomenon occurs when we can focus on the task at hand, without being distracted by clutter and disorganization. So, how can we apply these plate organization tips to our daily lives? First, start with the basics. Declutter your kitchen and get rid of any unnecessary dishes or utensils. Next, invest in a plate rack or divider to maximize space and keep your plates organized. And finally, experiment with different plate organization techniques, such as the tiered plate method or the zone system. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a more efficient and sustainable kitchen. But wait until you hear what comes next. I'll be sharing some surprising statistics about the impact of plate organization on our environment. For centuries, humans have been struggling with food waste and kitchen organization. Scientists discovered that the average American generates about 219 pounds of food waste per year. This staggering statistic highlights the importance of implementing effective plate organization strategies. By reducing food waste and minimizing kitchen clutter, we can make a significant difference in our planet's health. In this video, we've explored the world of plate organization and discovered some surprising benefits. From reducing waste and stress to enhancing our cooking experience, a well-organized plate can have a profound impact on our lives. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? The key to efficient plate organization is to create zones, use a plate rack or divider, and experiment with different techniques. By applying these tips, you'll be able to save time, reduce waste, and enjoy a more sustainable kitchen. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe for more home organization tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite plate organization strategies. Subscribe to our channel for more home organization tips and tricks.